Hola amigos, hi friends. My name is Miss Judy and I'm a teacher at the Greater Valley YMCA. Today we're going to be learning about wind. Okay friends, so we're going to start off today by listening to a story about wind. The title of the story is A Windy Day in Spring, written by Charles Gigna, illustrated by Laura Watson.
A windy day in spring. Warm wind welcomes early spring. Warm wind makes the bluebirds sing. Warm wind rushes through the trees. Warm wind stirs the bumblebees. Warm wind blows a butterfly. Warm wind lifts a kite up high. Warm wind turns a weather vane. Warm wind waves a pony's mane. Warm wind makes the wind chimes ring. Warm wind helps a hammock swing. Warm wind steals a farmer's hat. Warm wind pets a tabby cat. Warm wind spins a blue pinwheel. Warm wind makes a seagull squeal. Warm wind pushes waves around. Warm wind blows a castle down. Warm wind fills a bright red sail. Warm wind tickles a big blue whale. Warm wind lifts an eagle's wings. Warm wind does so many things. All about wind. Wind is the movement of air on earth. Warm air rises and cool air rushes in to replace it. People refer to wind by direction and speed. A weather vane tells us the direction of the wind. We measure wind speed with an anemometer. A light wind is called a breeze. A gust is a quick, strong wind. Wind turbines create electricity with wind. Large blades on the turbine move when wind strikes them. The movement helps spin a generator. The generator creates electricity. Weather vane, wind turbine, anemometer.
Hi friends, I hope you enjoyed that story. So as you guys noticed in the story, wind is the movement of air, and so it moves or blows items around. So Miss Judy's gonna actually do an activity with you. We're gonna see if wind can blow some items that Miss Judy found around in her house. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the items that I brought with me today. Okay, so you have a plastic Easter egg right over here. We have a yellow marker. We have some cereal here, a wooden block, a glue stick, a toy dinosaur, and a feather. Okay, so the way I'm going to create the wind to try to move these items is with a straw. You guys can try this at home if you'd like, just by simply finding different items and using a straw to see what items you can move around. Okay, so we're going to start off with the feather. I'm just going to blow into the straw and see if we can move the feather. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to put the feather on this side because we were able to move that item with the wind that Miss Judy's blowing through the straw. Okay, now let's try the glue stick. Okay, glue stick is not moving, so we're going to place it over in this side because we cannot move the glue stick with the wind or the air that's being blown through the straw. Now let's try the plastic Easter egg. Oh, it moved it. We're gonna put it on this side. We're gonna separate them. Let's try the wooden block. What do you guys think? Think it's gonna move? Let's see. Ooh, it moved a bit. We're gonna put it on this side with the other items that moved. Okay, let's try the yellow marker now. Whoa, that moved. How about the figure, the little dinosaur toy figure? Nope, that's not moving, so we're gonna put it over here on this side, the glue stick. Okay, lastly, we're gonna try some cereal. Let's see if those little cereal bites are gonna move over. Oh, they sure did. Okay, friends, so like I mentioned, we're gonna actually put the cereal over here on this side. And so now we have the glue stick and the dinosaur toy figure that didn't move. And we have the items that moved on this side. And it was the red feather, the plastic Easter egg, the wooden cube, the marker, and the cereal. Now you guys can definitely do this at home. All you need is a straw and just find some items and see what will move and what won't move. I hope you guys enjoyed the story today and the small activity that Miss Judy did with you guys. I hope you guys are well. Adios. Goodbye, friends.